Hey you, yeah you, in your 20s, ready to make some money while you're living your best life? Well, I've got some awesome news for you. In today's video, we're talking all about the best passive income ideas for your 20s. That's right, earning money while you sleep, travel, or, let's be honest, spend too much time on TikTok. Now, before we dive in, you might be thinking, I'm too young for this. Oh, trust me, the earlier you start, the better. So let's kick things off and talk about how you can set yourself up for financial freedom in your 20s. Ready? Let's go. All right. Before we dive into the ideas, let's take a second to define passive income. Because, spoiler alert, it's not about getting rich without lifting a finger. Well, not exactly. Passive income is money you earn with minimal ongoing effort after putting in the initial work. Think of it like planting a money tree that keeps growing, even when you're chilling on the couch. Some examples of passive income include things like dividend income, royalties from books or music, rental income, and more. So the idea is that after doing some initial work, you sit back, relax, and let the money flow in. Now let's get into the good stuff, the actual passive income ideas. And don't worry, you don't need to be a millionaire to get started. These are totally doable, even if you're just starting out in your career, school, or hustling with side gigs. First up, we've got dividend investing. Here's the thing, companies that pay dividends are basically saying, hey, thanks for being an investor, here's some money as a reward. Dividends are like little thank you payments made to you as a shareholder. And the best part, you don't need to do much. You buy stocks in companies that pay dividends and boom, money starts rolling in. It's like having a paycheck, without actually working for it. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wait, don't I need to be a stock market genius to pull this off? Nope. You just need to do a little research, pick stable companies, and start investing. The earlier you start, the better, because the power of compounding means that the longer you stay invested, the more money you'll make. You don't need a ton of cash to start either. Even $100 can get the ball rolling. Next up, we've got real estate crowdfunding. Now you may be thinking, real estate sounds expensive and complicated. And you're right, buying a whole property is a big commitment. But what if I told you that you could own a piece of real estate without all the hassle of dealing with tenants or expensive down payments? Here's how it works. You and other investors pool your money together to invest in a real estate project, whether that's residential, commercial, or something else. These platforms allow you to invest with as little as $500, and you can earn returns based on rental income or property sales. It's passive because once you've invested, your only job is to wait for those returns to come in. Just remember, real estate is a long-term play, so don't expect to get rich overnight, but it's a great way to diversify your investments. Next, let's talk about peer-to-peer lending or P2P lending. Ever wish you could be the bank? Well, now you can. There are platforms that let you lend money directly to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. Basically, you become the lender, and borrowers pay you back with interest. It's like getting paid for being nice and lending a helping hand, but with the perks of earning interest on your money. It's passive because once you lend your money, the interest payments just keep coming in. It's a little like a reverse loan from your local bank, and you don't have to deal with all the paperwork. Here's an idea that's perfect for the creative types or anyone with a particular set of skills. Create and sell digital products. You can create ebooks, online courses, printables, or templates, and then sell them on online platforms. This is perfect if you have a passion or expertise in a certain area, and it's an amazing way to create passive income. You build the product once, and then you get paid every time someone purchases it. Think about it. What's something you know really well? Maybe it's how to start a podcast, ace college exams, or even how to make the best avocado toast. I'm sure people would buy that. Once you've created your digital product, it can continue to sell without any extra effort on your part. Another great way to earn passive income is affiliate marketing. So, you know those ads and links you see all over social media and blogs? Well, they're probably affiliate links. It's a pretty simple concept. You promote a product, and when people buy it through your unique link, you get a cut. It's a win-win. You recommend something you love, and you get paid for doing so. If you're already active on social media, you can start promoting products and services to your followers. There are affiliate programs for everything. Amazon, fashion, tech products, you name it. All you have to do is include the link, and when people click and buy, you earn a commission. Think of it as the 21st century version of word-of-mouth marketing, and you get paid for it. Now, let's talk about something super easy, High-yield savings accounts. While this may not make you rich, it's a great way to earn a little passive income with zero effort. These accounts pay you interest on the money you have saved, and the best part, you can access your funds anytime you need them. Look for accounts with higher interest rates. Around 1 to 2% is typical, but some online banks offer even better rates. It's not going to make you a millionaire, but every little bit counts. Alright, now that we've gone over these killer passive income ideas, you might be thinking, okay, where do I start? Here's a little advice for getting the ball rolling. Start small. You don't need to invest thousands right away. Start with what you can afford, whether it's $50 in dividends or a $500 investment in real estate crowdfunding. Do your research. It's important to know what you're getting into. Check out reviews, read blogs, and learn as much as you can before diving in. Be patient. Passive income is a long-term game. It may take time before you start seeing big returns, but trust me, it's worth it. Now that you've got the lowdown on the best passive income ideas for your 20s, it's time to take action and make your money work for you. Don't wait. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow. Here's your call to action. Like this video if you're ready to start earning passive income. Subscribe for more tips on building wealth and financial freedom. Share this video with your friends who need to start making money while they sleep. Sharing is caring, right? Thanks for hanging out with me today. Remember, you've got the power to build wealth in your 20s and beyond. Now, let's go make some money.